This is a new 2016 Ford Fusion Energy. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter engine, and a continuously variable transmission. The features include internet connectivity, push-button start, Bluetooth connectivity, a satellite radio, digital radio, an auxiliary input, remote start, steering wheel controls, a premium sound system, aluminum rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. Mike Dorian Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 35900 Gratiot Avenue, Clinton Township, Michigan 48030.